Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have my stuff already set up, a little standy. I have a new thing here too. I went to the Sharks game. I think it was on the Saturday. It was a wrestling theme night, so they gave us little phone holders. It's a full arena giveaway. Feels a little I wouldn't want to put my phone on it. I mean, I'll put my phone on it. But I'm just gonna end up using it for additional card holder. Alright, so anyway, I'm gonna be opening up. I got these recently, maybe within the last couple weeks. Don't remember when. It's just been sitting off to the side for me. These are the Paladin packs from Paladin cards. Not the most recent one, but the one before that. I think, let me see. It says 25.10-5. So the one before the one they started selling. So these are come in a 5 booster pack. Kind of random. What you'll get. Let's go ahead and open here. Let's see what things we got. So we have Astral Radiance, Light Flare, Destined Rivals, Vivid Voltage, and Mega Evolution. Well, that's a pretty Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, Astral Radiance, Twilight Masquerade, Vivid Voltage, and another Mega Evolutions. Kind of tempted. I don't know if I want to open that. Maybe I'll save it for a later video. I do have a bunch of older, well, not really older packs, more like Sun and Moon packs. I'll see if I can find them. They'll probably do a video opening a couple. Probably put this and that as well. Let's go with we're just gonna start mixing stuff. So we're gonna do the Vivid Voltage. Code card. Don't remember. I think it's for Water Energy. Ferrothorn, Caralis, Dustclops, Wilmer, Weedle, Beldum, Fampy, Duskull, Crocodile, and Electros. Kind of miss the yellow borders in a way. Kind of. We already saw what that's gonna be. Code card. Two, three, think it's with the silver borders when it's a little different. Metal Energy, Zip Striker, Coding Energy, Heroes Metal, Nymano by So. I noticed it when I was when I flipped the card. I was like, oh, I recognized the artist. Soso's my probably my favorite Pokemon card illustrator. Execute, Chillhop, Clobbopus, Skiddo, Mudsdale, and Electrode. It's been a while since I've opened up something a little older, Sword and Shield older. Well, just older in general. More new stuff, but I do like to get these bundles. Typically come with some of the older ones or older Sword and Shield. Code card, Astral Radiance, I believe it's still 4. Dark Energy, Dartrix, Drifblim, Trekking Shoes, Scyther, Eevee, and by So. Putting that off here. Heracross, Teddiursa, Mantine, Drifblim, and Rampardos. If you guys have been following my channel, watching my videos, I do collect Eevee and Evolution cards. That's why I have this off to the side, because that's going in that binder. What card? Grass Energy, Whiscash, Sweet Honey, Cricketune, Yanma, Drifloon, Sudowoodo, Combi, another So card. Always like the one on the bottom, looks so happy. I can't really see it. Just take my word for it. Ralts and Gardevoir. Oh, and another hit for me. Glaceon. And we have a Gardevoir full art. Actually, move this. It's a little there we go. Twilight Masquerade. Code card. Ooh, I don't remember. Was it 1? Yes. Fire Energy. Caretaker. Glimmet. Lampent. Poltergeist. Lorgus, Festival Grounds, Glimora, Perrin, Larion. Almost looks a little similar to Sword a little bit. And Sinistra. We have Destined Rivals. Hopefully you guys have been able to open up some stuff. It's a little difficult to get cards nowadays. Code card. We have Grass Energy. Mistus Lapras. Primate. Diplin. Energy Loop. Electric. Oh, energy. Oh my goodness. I got distracted, you guys. I read the attack move on the Diplin card. I meant to say electric. I was like, what am I doing? Oh goodness. I can't edit that out. Oh my gosh. Steven's Matane. Team Rocket's Petrol. I'm still laughing about that. Misty Starmie. Probo Pass by So-So. Another Electric, Reverse Hollow. And Cynthia's Roserade. Oh my god. I was like in my head, I was like, wait, that's not a Pokemon name. Oh gosh. We have a White Flare. Code card. Ooh. Water Energy, but you could kind of see on here, looks kind of I think this is like a little bit of a hollow hollow card. Put that off to the side. Dewat, Blitzel, Zoelis, Patrat, Swoobat, Liepard, Selgor. This one is a Swoobat, but it is, trying to see, just looks like a regular Pokeball Hollow. Dewat. And we have a Chandelure as a hollow, kind of like the energy card. We have Mega Evolution, newest set to come out. I think the upcoming one is Phantasmal Flames. Unfortunately, I have not been able to do any or get any pre-orders. Hoping some of the places I do, code card, some of the places I typically purchase from, I'll be able to get something, but we will see. It is hard to get stuff. Like I said, pretty sure they're having a little bit of a hard time getting stuff too, where they limit stuff. But I just kind of want something for myself and one to keep for a later time. Probably just give something away from there as well. We have Lightning Energy, Abra, Makuhita, Pira, Vincada, Volcanion, Shiftry, Lily's Determination, Grumpig, Onyx, and Lunatone. And our last pack before we go through the hits we got today. Code card. See if we get anything here. Any last hits? Psychic Energy, Graphite, Yolu, Vulpix, Tinkatuff, Lily's Determination, Gumshoes, Tinkaton, Ultra Ball, Strange Timepiece, and Mega Absol EX. I want to say this was probably one of my other chase cards. I mean, what was I saying? For Mega Evolutions, I had looking for the Vulpix, the Delibird, and I think this was one, but I never mentioned it. But yay, one of my chase cards. Yay! I'm a little hype avatar right here. But yeah, finally got one of my chase cards. So alright, so let's go through what we got. I mean, we do have the Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, which I will actually save for another video. Have to find a couple other things I want to open, but yeah, this is gonna be opened in a later video. We have the one we just got, Mega Absol EX, the regular Pokeball Holo Swoobat, Gardevoir Full Art, Glaceon, and Eevee, which are gonna go in my Eevee theme binder. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Really do appreciate you guys taking the time to stop by and watch my video, which supports me, supports my channel, just because I get to share a hobby with you guys. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna open next. Probably some celestial stuff. I have couple celestial stuff to open. I also did get my what is that, live stream came in as well, I think last week or so. But yeah, probably gonna be opening that, so I might have 2 videos uploaded next week, but we'll see. But yeah, really do appreciate you guys stopping by to watch my video. Please take care of yourselves. Hope you, depending on what time you guys are watching this, hope you guys have a great day or a great night. Have a great rest of the week until my next video. Possibly see you in the Discord. If you do want to stop by and chat, feel free to join. You don't have to socialize if you don't want to, but I do use Discord to do my giveaways. Probably within the next 2 weeks I will have another giveaway. My next Pokemon opening video, I'll probably open up that Mega Evolutions booster box and pull something from that, and I will look in my personal collection and add something else in there, as well as a pin. But yeah, thanks guys. I can't talk. Thanks again, guys, for stopping by and letting me ramble just a little bit. Alright, guys, I do appreciate you guys. Thanks. Hope to see you soon. Bye.